First open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Open Recording tab. Select your microphone and click on Default. Press Apply and then OK. If that didn't work, right-click your microphone and click on Properties. Open Levels tab. Raise the volume and check whether you can hear your microphone. Press Apply and then OK. If that didn't work, open Start and click on Setting. Click on Privacy. Click on Microphone. Enable microphone access for this device. Enable Allow apps to access your microphone. If your app was disabled, just enable it. Enable this so that your desktop apps can access your microphone. Now your problem should be fixed.